Good morning, my little ones. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am and today I have come to teach you English. And the topic that we are going to talk about is one and many. So children, what is one and many mean? One means when we talk about a single object, we say one. But when it is more than one, we say many. So children, what is this? It's a pencil. One pencil. So we say one. But in this hand, I have how many? 1, 2 and 3. So that means we say many pencils. So children, one pencil, many pencils. When it is more than one, we say many. Now I'll show you some pictures so you can understand better. So children, here I have some pictures of one and many. O-N-E, one. M-A-N-Y, many. For example, what is this? Cup. C-U-P, cup. One cup. And when we have more than one cup, we say cups. Let's see how many do we have? 1, 2 and 3 cups. So C-U-P-S. We add an S when we are talking about more than one object. We add an S. Next picture is pen. P-E-N, pen. One pen. Here we have 1, 2, 3 pens. P-E-N-S. So you see children, we add an S when there is more than one object. Next picture, H-A-T, hat. One hat. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hats. So becomes H-A-T-S, hats. Next picture is one shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Here we have 1, 2. So it becomes shoes. S-H-O-E-S. We add an S when it's more than one object. So let's read it once more, children. Cup, cups. Pen, pens. Hat, hats. Shoe, shoes. I hope you understood, children, the concept of one and many. Now we will write some words in our notebook. Okay children, let's start writing one many words. We'll begin with today's date. So outside the margin, we will write 26.8.2020. Outside the margin line, we will write the heading. So capital O N E, one, and here we will write capital M A N Y, many. After this, you will make a line in the middle of the page like this. So you'll have 2 columns. Okay children? The first word is boy. B-O-Y, boy. Second word is toy. T-O-Y, toy. Next word is cup. C-U-P, cup. Next word is dog. D-O-G, dog. Then jug. J-U-G, jug. Then doll. D-O-L-L, L, L, doll. Next word is pen. P, E, N, pen. And the last word is bat. B, A, T, bat. Remember children, to write near the margin line. Do not write somewhere in the middle. Okay children? Now we will write the answers. So under 1 we have written boy, means one boy. So when you write many, how many will come? Boys. So we will write B, O, Y, and here we will add an S. Boys. Boy, boys. Next word is toy. And when you say more than one toy, it becomes toys. So it will be T, O, Y, S. Toys. Toy, toys. This is one cup. When there are more than one cup, we say cups. So the answer will be C, U, P, S. Cups. Cup, cups. Next is one dog. And when it's many, it will be dogs. So it will be D, O, G, S. Dog, dogs. Next, one jug. When there is more than one jug, it will become jugs. Very good. So J, U, G, S. Jugs. Jug, jugs. Next is one doll. And when there is more than one doll, we say many dolls. So the answer will be D, O, L, L, S. Dolls. Doll, dolls. Next is one pen. More than one pen is called pens. Very good. So we will write P, E, N, S. Pens. Pen, pens. Last word, one bat. More than one bat is called many bats. So the answer is B, A, T, S. Bats. Bat, bats. Let's read it once more. So we wrote boy, boys. Toy, toys. Cup, cups. Dog, dogs. Jug, jugs. Doll, dolls. Pen, pens. Bat, bats. You also children have to copy and write it neatly in your book as well, the way I have written. So children, I hope you all have understood the concept of one and many. And please write it neatly in your notebooks as well. Till we meet again tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.